So come over you. Yeah. Don't wanna go. Woo. Silly on me. Devoted so much time to find you a faithful boy. I never lost my mind. Drive past your house every night in an unmarked car.
She be in a group, running with her friends. Don't have a loop, turn something to nothing. Bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the who's? Still running around with more. Get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up. I ain't even get it yet. Running up with silly shit. Standing off the internet. Share the stage, really got.
Good morning, Spooky Butts. It is Saturday, March 1st, 8:15. This is the first time in a long time that I have woke up this early. The first time in a long time, probably since I literally went to school. Like, what was that? I think January, maybe January, I don't know. But it's 8:15, Saturday, March 1st. I'm glad I woke up early because I want to go ahead and get my day started. And this is going to be a productive day in my life type shit. So I'm glad I woke up early. It actually works really good. So I already did my hair, whatever. I'm gonna probably get dressed. I want to go to the donut shop, get some donuts. I need to do all of my morning routine. I have not done my morning routine yet. Not too much. I need to brush my teeth, wash my face, moisturize it, or whatever. My eyes look really bad. I ripped my questions off, and I literally cannot find my glasses. Why, I don't know where my glasses are. And I just got them. But yeah, so I need to make a list of everything I want to do. I definitely want to clean my room, so I'm gonna make a list. I want to clean my room, clean out my car, do 2 loads of laundry, give Ace a bath. As of right now, I just have clean my room, clean out my car, do 2 loads of laundry, clean restroom, give Ace a bath, and clean up lip and sideburn. And what I mean with that is like use the razor on my lip and my sideburn. That's all I can really think of right now. I'm finna make my bed, get dressed, brush my teeth, and do my face, and then we're gonna head to get some donuts. I really want to try to hurry up and get to the donut store because they sell out really fast. So I'm gonna try to do this first and then make the bed real fast, and then I'm probably just gonna like throw on some pants and a hoodie.
When I'm talking to you, I don't know what to say, but I can call up a stranger and talk my whole life away. Milwaukee margaritas, I didn't know that was a thing. Carry me home, marry me now, I promise you everything. Chanel in every city, simply talking that. Whoa, filthy mouth, filthy lips, but my teeth pop. Oh, I know, Bible scriptures on your left eye, verses you don't really live by. All she do is work, fuck, Uber Eats and get high. Never will I fly in clothes, babe. Never will I fly in clothes, babe. Spend your summers on a boat, babe. I'm a vocal coach for your throat, babe. My ears are sensitive. Tell me that it's mine. All I hear is yes, all I hear is yes, yes it is. My ears are sensitive. Tell me that it's mine. All I hear is yes, all I hear is yes, yes it is. My ears are sensitive. So when I ask you, is it mine? All you ever say is yes, it is. Every day come feel foggy.
Okay, it is now 8:33. Ended up changing my mind. We're gonna go to McDonald's, get some breakfast. My brother was up, so he was just gonna come with us because my parents still sleep. I'm waiting on him to put his shoes on, but he's taking forever. I might actually give me an iced coffee too. Iced coffee, or yeah, I'm not gonna get no donuts. So I feel like low-key that's gonna fuck my stomach up. Hey, Bookie's, we're in the car now on the way to McDonald's. I really don't have nothing to talk about, so I guess I'm gonna see y'all when we make it to McDonald's and we're ordering and everything. My uncle here, so I'm gonna be ordering for like 6 or 7 people.
Excuse me, McDonald's, give me 1 moment, please.
Okay. 8929.
I can barely hear you.
8929.
Hey, what can I get started for you?
Can I get the big, no. So with the hotcakes with sausage.
Hotcakes? Alright, anything else?
That's not what I said. I was asking for the hot cake with sausage. Does it come with like the hash brown and
Yeah, it
stuff?
comes with the hash browns.
Okay.
So it comes with eggs, biscuit, sausage, pancakes, and hash browns.
Okay, I'm gonna do that one.
Is that gonna be all?
No. Can I get 3 biscuits, 3 sausage biscuits, 3 sausage McMuffins,
Anything else?
6 hash browns,
And the number 7.
Anything else?
a medium caramel coffee, iced coffee.
A medium caramel iced coffee.
I'm not gonna lie, that has to have been my worst experience early in the morning at a fast food restaurant or any breakfast place or anything when I'm getting breakfast. Like, did y'all hear the nigga talking over me, rushing me? Like, my thing is, I was on the first item. I was trying to figure out which like hot cake breakfast to get him, and I can't stand a rude ass person.
When I get big, I'm gonna go there and eat his.
But I'm really blue right now, so I'm gonna just see y'all when I get home. I got me an iced coffee. Hopefully this gets me through the day, y'all, because I had a horrible night. I did not sleep good. I kept waking up, and I'm up early. So hopefully this coffee do me good. And I'm gonna just see y'all once we're home eating breakfast. We're now waiting on the food. I'm gonna see y'all when we get back home. We are back home. It's 9:30.
I want to
Put a
go.
jelly on my biscuit. The hash browns was sticking to the thing. And yeah, it's a lot going on. But this is my biscuit. Yummy to my tummy.
Tell me that it's mine. I ain't check. I ain't check. Yes, it is. My ears are sensitive. So when I ask you, is it mine? All you ever say is yes, it is. Every day come feel walking across a tightrope.
Okay, so I'm done eating. I'm finna probably lay down for a little, edit some. I'll get back to y'all once we're back up and running. He has to go to work at 1, so I might see y'all then or when I get back from dropping him off. Y'all see me when y'all see me, okay? I'm finna lay down, probably go ahead and start editing this video so I can get it out by tomorrow, because this is gonna be like a one-day vlog.
When I'm talking to you, I don't know what to say. But I can call up a stranger and talk my whole life away. Milwaukee margaritas, I didn't know that was a thing. Carry me home, or marry me now, I promise you everything. Chanel in every city, simply talk dirty. Whoa, whoa, filthy mouth, filthy lips, but my teeth perfect. Oh, I know, Bible scriptures on your left eye, verses you don't really live by. All she do is work, fuck, Uber Eats and get high. Never will I fly in clothes, babe. Never will I fly in clothes, babe. Been spending summers on a boat, babe. I'm a vocal coach for your throat, babe. My ears are sensitive. Tell me that it's mine. I ain't shed.
Okay, loves, so it's currently 2:40. I was editing for like a good hour or whatever. I started, I want to say like at 11. I had to drop my boyfriend off. We left at 12:30 and I got back at like 1:10. And I've been like on and off editing. Breaks, of course. I already edited like 12 minutes and now I'm gonna do the dishes because yeah. I need to also check off my list. I haven't even paid attention to my list. So let's go see what I had. So I had cleaned my room. We cleaned. Oh yeah, I cleaned my room, y'all. We straightened up after I got done with Ace in his kennel. I cleaned my room. So I cleaned my room. We cleaned Ace. I gotta clean my restroom. I started a load of laundry. It's in a dryer now. So I'm gonna go ahead and check that off. We're working our way down on this checklist. Now I'm finna do the dishes. The dishes wasn't on my checklist, but obviously this is one of my chores, so I'm finna do the dishes and yeah.
She a Virgo, so I can't explain her. This time begins. I'm shed. I'm shed. Yes, she is. My ears are sensitive. Tell me that it's mine. I'm shed. My ears are sensitive. So when I ask you, is it mine? All you ever say is yes, it is. I ask you, is it mine? Ask you, is it mine? Just say yes, it is.
Okay, I just finished the dishes. I'm finna go ahead and try to get some more editing done. It's 3:16 right now. I'm low-key waiting on my mom to get back because my friend's supposed to be coming over here, but she hasn't told me yes or no yet. So I'm low-key waiting. I'm finna go ahead and edit. I'm gonna show y'all. Oh, I only got 7 minutes. I want to get at least 25 minutes for this video. I want to work up to like 30, but yeah, I'm trying to get 30-minute videos from now on. So 25 to 30 minutes is my goal for every video. So we just shall see. But I'm finna edit, like I said. It's 3:17. I should see y'all like at 4, and then I'm gonna definitely for sure do my lip and my sideburns. Hey Bookies, I just woke up from a nap, y'all. Oh my gosh, this is so embarrassing. This was supposed to be a productive vlog, y'all. Please do not bash me. It's 8:56. I know y'all know that I literally woke up hella early. Not only that though, I did not sleep good last night. I woke up like 3 or 5 times out of my sleep. So for me to wake up at 7 o'clock also did not help. So I took me a good little old nap. I edited before I went to sleep and I'm editing now. I'm finna have to go pick up my boyfriend. And then my friend might be coming over tonight. I don't too much know. But I'm finna go ahead and start another load of laundry and get the one that I did out. And then after that I might just like see y'all tomorrow before I finish. I want to have this video posted by 6 or 7 so I can still kind of film tomorrow. I'm gonna start the load of laundry, and after that y'all, I won't pick up the camera until tomorrow, Sunday. So let's do this last load of laundry and I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all. Hey besties, good afternoon. It is the next day. It's 4/27, March 2nd, Sunday. Yes, I know. Okay, I'm stressing y'all out. This was originally supposed to be just a productive day in my life, but because I don't feel like I have that much footage, and plus yesterday was kind of off for me because I was like really tired. I got a nail appointment at 6:30. I'm gonna try to see if I can go early, but I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. Like I said, it's 4:30 right now. I just want to get back to y'all and get ready with y'all because I think I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm finishing my skincare because I just got out the shower. I think I talked to y'all last night and said that my friend was coming over or whatever, so she came over. And I don't think I had got back to y'all or whatever. Yeah. So she came over, we hung out for a little bit, and I went and dropped her off. I just wanted to have a little girl time, y'all. I haven't had girl time in so long. I picked her up at like 9:30 or whatever, and then I dropped her off at, I want to say 2 o'clock. Yeah. We was playing some Roblox. We was talking, enjoying each other's company. Oh my god, on Roblox they got like the Hard Eyes game or whatever. I don't know if y'all watched the movie, but it was like a Hard Eyes killer or whatever. And they made a game out of it now. I dropped her off. I wanted to sleep as soon as I got home, y'all, because I was exhausted. Like I told y'all, time been passing by really fast. So I tried to edit a little bit, and now I'm gonna just get ready. Like I said, I want to see if my nail tech can take me sooner than 6:30. Sushi, y'all. So I got my lip and my sideburns still, and I got to clean the restroom still, and I got to clean out my car. So I haven't done neither of those. But I cleaned my room, I did 2 loads of laundry, and we gave Ace a bath, and I cleaned out his kennel. But I low-key wanted to do my clusters. Know how I feel about that, because literally I did my last clusters 2 nights ago and take them off the day after. But I feel like right now I really could do my lip and sideburn. I could, I could. Recently, y'all, I haven't really too much been getting my eyebrows done. Use an edge brush, like do this, and then, cause truthfully, honestly, I don't feel like my eyebrows be needing to get waxed for real.
Silly on me, devoted so much time to find you unfaithful boy. I never lost my mind. Drive past your house every night in an unmarked car, wondering what she had on me to make you break my heart.
Yeah, give it a dick and I'm out of there. She like me shit, boy, you oughta care. I'm like, whatever. Still gonna let me fuck whenever.
Nights I couldn't sleep, and let the sun reach home. I asked myself over again, what am I doing wrong to make you stay all night? And I think to call.
TikTok? Mine keeps saying that it's getting delivered to multiple different airports.
I got it. And we're gonna be this big. Hoes go to 22.
Oh, I need those. Alright, so your girl just finished her face. I Vaseline'd it up as well. My homegirl had called me and I just continue doing it. But now that my face is done, I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair. I texted her. We shall see what she says. And yeah, I think I'm gonna just see y'all when I'm about to be on the way, or when I'm making me a little snacks. I'm starting to get hungry. I don't know. But this is what the face is giving. No hair. In the girl's eye. Okay, so I decided not to do my hair yet because she said to just come at 6:30. So I'm gonna just come at 6:30. So I'm gonna do my hair like at 5:40. It's 5 o'clock now. It just literally hit 5 on that dot. That's cute. But I got my yogurt. That was so whitish. I got my yogurt, the hook, with some water. And I'm gonna lay down, snack on my yogurt, watch some TV, and watch. Snack on my yogurt, watch some TV, and maybe edit a little bit. I'm on the last episode of the Ruby Frankie documentary. Y'all, I had to take a break because it was lucky giving me chills. But this right here, my favorite. Vanilla yogurt with some granola. Always hits the spot. So, like I said, I'm gonna eat this, watch this last episode, and edit some, and I'm gonna see you guys when I'm leaving to go get these nails done, because they busted. Okay, y'all, so my appointment was at 6:30, and I made it here like at 27. We got all the nails on. Yeah. Well, they're not really off. We're going to soak them. But I'm going to show y'all the set I'm getting. I'm so excited. But I really wasn't recording too much. And I probably won't because I'm trying to vlog for YouTube. I mean, TikTok too, because I haven't been getting enough content out. But I have been for y'all. But this is the set I'm doing. So excited. But yeah, she been having me into this. I don't know what it is, but it's too funny. But she getting the water and the alcohol with it so I can suck my nails, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, we are back home, you guys. It's like 10:30 or something right now. The nails are done. Salty. Yeah. Right now, Tech eats. Her ad will be on the screen. I don't know if y'all live anywhere near us, but that's her ad in case you do it. You want to book her because she be eating. Okay. But yeah, that's it for this video, y'all. I hope y'all enjoy, and I love y'all so much. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that post notification button because you do want to be in tune when your girl posts another motherfucking video. Okay. Anyways, bye. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.